Maintaining consistent product quality is essential in modern manufacturing. Even small defects can lead to customer complaints, product failures, and unnecessary production costs. This solution automates quality inspection using AI-powered computer vision. As products move through the production line, cameras inspect every component in real time. AI analyzes each image to detect manufacturing defects such as cracks, voids, bubbles, silver streaks, surface imperfections, and other quality issues that may not be consistently identified through manual inspection. Each inspection is accompanied by a confidence score, allowing the system to determine whether a part should be accepted or rejected based on the likelihood of a defect. But accurate defect detection is only part of the solution. The solution also helps manufacturers optimize inspection thresholds by balancing two competing objectives. Rejecting defective parts protects product quality, while minimizing unnecessary rejection of good parts reduces manufacturing waste and production costs. Users can adjust the operating threshold and define the relative cost of missed defects versus false rejections. As these parameters change, the solution immediately recalculates the optimal inspection settings and quantifies the financial impact of each decision. This allows manufacturers to identify the operating point that minimizes total quality costs while maintaining the desired level of product reliability. The result is a decision support solution that enables more accurate defect detection, optimized quality control processes, reduced production waste, and improved manufacturing efficiency through data-driven inspection strategies. From strategy through implementation, we help enterprises turn AI opportunities into measurable outcomes. Contact us to learn more.